going on. We are starting the program. Please mute your audio, sir. Please mute your audio. We are starting the program. On behalf of the CPR Environmental Education Center, we are inviting you for this online environmental education. Today's topic, the air we breathe. The Earth atmosphere consists of a mixture of various gases surrounding the Earth. The gaseous atmosphere contains 79% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and traces of other rare gases. This balance of gases in our atmosphere should be undisturbed. But industrialization and modernization have started affecting the atmosphere badly, resulting in air pollution. Air pollution. Many countries. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see the PowerPoint presentation? Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. In many countries, including India, air pollution is becoming a chronic problem, affecting human health, food production, the environment, and natural resources. The air that we breathe is polluted by industrial and automobile emissions. The pollutants are sulfur and nitrogen oxide from power plants, industries, and incinerators, reactive hydrocarbons from petrochemical plants, refineries, and vehicles, carbon mostly from vehicles. Please, please mute your audio so that you can hear this properly. Heavy metals from vehicles, industries, and metal smelters, and organic compounds mostly from the chemical industry. Air pollution. Air pollution is perhaps the most common and the most dangerous type of pollution. It involves the direct release of chemicals into the environment. The chemicals then become the part of air around us that all the living things take in. An average adult can inhale and exhale approximately 7 to 8 liters of oxygen in a minute. In total, 11,000 liters of oxygenated air is consumed in a day. The inhaled air consists of approximately 20% oxygen. The exhaled air consists of approximately 15% oxygen. Hence, about 5% of the breathed air can be consumed in every breath. Human beings consume 550 liters of oxygen in a day. Impacts of air pollution. Air pollution is known to cause irritation of the eyes, headache, sore throat, fever, wheezing, and even cancer. Plants, land, water, monuments, and buildings are also affected by pollutants generated by industries and vehicles. Acid rain. Acid rain caused by industrial emissions of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen gives rise to increased acidity in the soil, defoliation of plants, and also the death of aquatic organisms. Please mute your audio, sir, so that you can hear our voice clearly. The gases from factories and vehicle exhaust are responsible for the acidification of the atmosphere, producing acid rain, which then contaminates the groundwater. Depletion of ozone layer. Ozone is the gas in the stratosphere, ultraviolet rays from the sun. Depletion of ozone layer leads to many problems, including skin cancer. Release of chlorofluorocarbons used in refrigerators fire extinguishers, and aerosol spray cans and other industrial applications of CFC destroy the ozone layer. Automobiles also a source of major air pollution. The automobile is man's most lethal invention. Apart from depleting our limited reserves of oil, the fumes of exhaust, which contain nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, and other gases, create air pollution. They react with sunlight to produce photochemical smog, a dense blanket of pollution which affects many cities. Another thing is noise pollution. Noise pollution is an ever increasing problem in cities. The roar of cars, the blaring of loudspeakers, the shouts of vendors, the din of machines cause tension, stress, headaches, and in some cases, deafness. Trees, the guardian of healthy air. Trees convert carbon dioxide into oxygen. The removal of tree cover to facilitate the growth of cities and the increase in release of toxic gases into the atmosphere has resulted in intense air pollution. Also, noise is intensified due to the absence of trees which would otherwise have absorbed it to a certain extent. Clean air, some of the solutions are discussed here. Action for clean air at domestic level. At the domestic level, exposure to smoke while cooking can be curtailed by the adoption of cleaner fuels, improved stoves, better ventilation, and the use of biogas. Smokeless chulas reduce exposure to smoke. Do not burn domestic waste. Backyard burning is also responsible for pollution. Stop smoking tobacco. It spoils the health of a smoker and passive smokers too. Vehicles. Keep your vehicle properly maintained and tuned to be energy efficient and less polluting. Regular tests for automobile emissions are now compulsory. Legislation to control vehicular emissions is now in place in India. Get your car certified for emission standards. Non-leaded fuel is the preferred form. Automobile manufacturers are now modifying their designs to suit non-leaded fuel and stop the sale of leaded fuel, gas, and other alternative fuels which have also been tested for use in vehicles. People should be encouraged to share their vehicles or use public transport. This would mean lesser traffic on the road and thus lesser pollution. Instead of using your cars and two-wheelers, choose to walk or ride a bicycle whenever possible. Lobbying for clean air. Small pressure groups should be formed to influence industries to install filters, electrostatic precipitators, scrubbers, etc. to control atmospheric pollution. Plan campaigns in schools and colleges on simple issues such as the ill effects of smoking and substitutes for domestic fuel consumption such as smokeless chulas, etc. Mobilize your immediate locality to protest against local polluting industries. Pressurize the government by writing letters to the press, motivating the media, and contacting the local MP or MLA. If everyone keeps his immediate environment clean, the macro environment automatically becomes cleaner. Posters developed by our center, CPR Environmental Education Center, on air pollution. I just left it for a few seconds. The points which are discussed there, like tobacco smoking, poisonous gases, were discussed earlier. We will see the other posters. Air pollution kills. Beat air pollution, breathe life. Sources of air pollution. There are two types of sources. One is a natural one and another one is man-made. First we will see the natural classification. Natural contaminants like bacteria, fungi, spores, cyst, methane, dust, etc. Carbon monoxide from methane gas, volcanic eruptions, forest fires, electric storms and solar flares, salt spray from oceans, dust storms. Man-made or rapid industrialization, automobiles, and deforestation. Common air pollutants are dust, smoke, fly ash, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, hydrogen cyanide, hydrogen sulfide, hydrogen fluoride, chlorine, and hydrocarbons. Classification of air pollutants. There are two here. One is a primary and the other one is a secondary. The primary air pollutants are the poisonous gases and undesirable chemicals which cause air pollution. Carbon particles from unburned fuel, ammonia, sulfur dioxide, hydrocarbons, oxides of nitrogen, oxides of carbon, and lead. Secondary air pollutants are derived from primary air pollutants. In bright sunlight, nitrogen, nitrogen oxides, oxygen, and hydrocarbons, photochemical reaction, powerful oxidants, ozone, aldehydes, sulfuric acid, peroxyacetyl nitrate, peroxides, etc. They form photochemical smog. How the poisons in the air affect you? Lead, a toxic metal that is present in normal petrol and in the air as fine particles, can affect the central nervous system because they cause renal damage and hypertension. Children are 3 times more at risk than adults. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, unburnt fuel from diesel engines cause drowsiness, eye irritation, cough, and are suspected to be cancer causing also. There is no such thing as a safety level for PAHs. Sulfur dioxide, colorless gas that is a part of diesel exhaust and factory emissions, affects upper respiratory tract, causes bronchial problems, nose blockage, and a hacking cough. Suspended particulate matter, particles of dust and carbon coated with the toxic gases, all emanating from factory emissions and vehicle exhaust. They coat the lungs. They cause respiratory infections, persistent cough, and throat irritation, aggravate asthma also. You can see in the image areas affected, mainly the lungs, respiratory tract, nose, eyes, brain, kidney. Further, carbon monoxide, colorless and odorless gas, it comes from petrol vehicles, mostly 2 and 3 wheelers, reduces the ability of blood to carry oxygen, exacerbates heart disorders. Benzene, it cannot be seen. It is a part of unleaded petrol and is emitted from catalytic converters. A known carcinogen, It has been linked to lung cancer and leukemia and is said to damage the central nervous system. No safe limit. There just should not be any benzene around. Oxides of nitrogen formed during fuel combustion in motor vehicles and power stations convert to nitrogen dioxide, which leads to bronchial infections, colds, headaches, and eye irritation. A recent fibrosis cases in Mumbai has been traced to these pollutants. You can see the image again. The areas affected are repeated here: lungs, respiratory tract, nose, eyes, brain, and kidney. Health effects of air pollution. CO reduces oxygen carrying capacity of blood, blood poisoning, CNS impairment. SO2 breathing difficulties, irritation of throat and eyes. Nitrous oxide respiratory irritation, headache, loss of appetite, corrosion of teeth, and lung problem. H2S headache, sleeplessness, eye pain, respiratory tract irritation. SPM suspended particle matter, respiratory diseases, toxicity from metallic dust, silicosis, and asbestosis from specific dust. HC, carcinogenic. CPR Environmental Education Center has a laboratory for air quality testing, and they have conducted a survey and tested air quality in some of the locations. They are listed here: ABA College for Women, Chennai; Laila College, Chennai; in Vijayawada in Andhra Pradesh, and in Karnataka state also. Ambient air sampling and analysis. The pollutants for which sampling and analytic techniques discussed are SPM, suspended particulate matter; SO2, sulfur dioxide; NO2, oxides of nitrogen; respirable suspendable particulate matter. Sampling location guidelines. Sampling station should be located depending upon the objective of measurement campaign and be kept at an altitude depending upon the type of study region, roadways, industrial area, disposal sites, residential tract, etc. You will see some of the photos here. Ambient air sampling and analysis. Generally, it is kept at a height of about 3 to 10 meters from the ground level and sufficiently away from the disturbance or direct obstacle from the source under consideration. This is the National Ambient Air Quality Standard, national standard. SPM is 100, SO2 is 80, NOx is 80, RSPM is 100. Air pollution monitoring instructions. Take the high volume sampler instrument and place it above 4 or 5 feet on the table. Place the PM10 filter paper upper side of the instrument. Fill the absorbing solution into the impinger, approximately 30 ml bubbler bottles. Check the instrument condition during the running period. Approximately, it is 8 hours. You will see some of the photos. Please mute your audio, madam. We will be, please mute your audio. Yeah. Enumeration of air flora by settle plate technique. Of all environments, air is the simplest one and it occurs in a single phase gas. There are vegetative cells and spores of bacteria, fungi and algae, viruses and protozoan cysts. In addition to gases, dust particles and water vapor, Air also contains microorganisms. Since air is often exposed to sunlight, it has a higher temperature and less moisture. So, if not protected from desiccation, most of these microbial forms will die. Air is mainly a transport or dispersal medium for microorganisms. They occur They occur in relatively small numbers in air when compared with the soil or water. The microflora of air can be studied under two headings, outdoor and indoor. Sampling locations, indoor air, lecture room, laboratory, library, canteen, toilets, and corridor. Outdoor air will be roadways, industrial area, disposal sites, residential tract, etc. Sampling procedure. We will now take up a song on air. Today's topic, air we breathe. சுற்றுப்புற சூழல் நம் சுகத்துக்கு அது காவல். சுற்றுப்புற சூழல் நம் சுகத்துக்கு அது காவல். சுற்றுப்புற சூழலை காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. சுற்றிலும் உள்ள தண்ணீரை கெடுத்தா சுகத்துக்கு களங்கம் ஏற்படும். அதனால் சுற்றுப்புற சுற்றுப்புற சூழலை காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. சுற்றிலும் உள்ள தண்ணீரை கெடுத்தா சுகத்துக்கு களங்கம் ஏற்படும். அதனால் சுற்றுப்புற ஓசோன் போர்வையை போத்தி ஒவ்வாததை வெளியேற்றி, ஓசோன் போர்வையை போற்றி ஒவ்வாததை வெளியேற்றி, மாசின்றி உலகினை காக்கும் வளிமண்டலமாகிய காற்றே. மாசின்றி உலகினை காக்கும் வளிமண்டலமாகிய காற்றே. மாசுபடாமல் உன்மேல் குறைக்கும் வழிதனை அறிவோம் நாமே. மாசுபடாமல் உன்மேல் குறைக்கும் வழிதனை அறிவோம். அந்த குளுமையிலே சுகம் பெறுவோம். அந்த குளுமையிலே சுகம் பெறுவோம். சுற்றுப்புற சூழலை காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. சுற்றிலும் உள்ள தண்ணீரை கெடுத்தா சுகத்துக்கு களங்கம் ஏற்படும். அதனால் சுற்றுப்புற சூழலை காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. மரங்களை வெட்டி தள்ளாதீர், மழைக்கு தடையாய் நில்லாதீர். மரங்களை வெட்டி தள்ளாதீர், மழைக்கு தடையாய் நில்லாதீர். கரும்புகை தன்னை கிளப்பாதீர், காற்றை களங்கப்படுத்தாதீர். கரும்புகை தன்னை கிளப்பாதீர், காற்றை களங்கப்படுத்தாதீர். அலட்சியமாக இருந்து கொண்டிருந்தால் சகிக்காது, இன்னும் சகிக்காது. அலட்சியமாக இருந்து கொண்டிருந்தால் சகிக்காது, இனி சகிக்காது. நம் சூழலும் சகிக்காது. சுற்றுப்புற சூழலை காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. சுற்றிலும் உள்ள தண்ணீரை கெடுத்தா சுகத்துக்கு களங்கம் ஏற்படும். அதனால் சுற்றுப்புற சூழலை காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. 5 பூத சேர்க்கையினால் ஆகிடும் இந்த உலகத்திலே. 5 பூத சேர்க்கையினால் ஆகிடும் இந்த உலகத்திலே. 5ல் 1 பழுதானால் அத்தனையும் தடுமாறிடுமே. 5ல் 1 பழுதானால் அத்தனையும் தடுமாறிடுமே. ஆகையினாலே அறிவுள்ளோரே மறவாதீர், இதை மறவாதீர். ஆகையினாலே அறிவுள்ளோரே மறவாதீர், இதை மறவாதீர். மறவாதீர், இதை மறவாதீர். நம் சுற்றுச்சூழலை மறவாதீர். மறவாதீர், இதை மறவாதீர். நம் சுற்றுச்சூழலை மறவாதீர். சுற்றுப்புற சுற்றுப்புற சூழல காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. சுற்றுப்புற சூழல காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. சுற்றிலும் உள்ள தண்ணீரை கெடுத்தால் சுகத்துக்கு களங்கம் ஏற்படும். அதனால் சுற்றுப்புற 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 சூழல காத்து நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. நாம் சுகமாயிருக்கணும் பார்த்து. Hope you will all have enjoyed our program. Write your suggestions and feedback to our official email ID cprec@gmail.com. This online environmental education program is on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 3 o'clock. So please visit us on Friday, the 24th July 2020. To join the next meeting, link will be shared shortly to your email ID and WhatsApp. On behalf of the CPR Environmental Education Center, we thank you all. Good afternoon, madam. You can unmute your audio. How was the program, madam? You have unmute your audio, madam. Please unmute your audio. Kavita, madam, good afternoon.
Thank you.
Yes, madam. How did you enjoy the program, madam?
It was very nice, very informative.
Yes,
உங்க பாட்டு அமக்கலாம்.
Thank you very much.
பாட்டு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நன்றி. And I will be seeing this. All the best. And CP Foundation சொல்றது கேட்கணுமா? எவ்வளவு வேணாலும் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பாவா. So nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Definitely, please visit us on Friday for 3 o'clock, madam.
Yeah, lot of information passed on. Thank you.
We'll come out with another topic and song also.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please, yeah.
Sir, unmute and talk.
Vasan sir, thank you sir.
Yeah. How was the program, madam?
Very, very nice sir. Very nice to hear you sing.
Yeah. Good afternoon, Mr. Kumaravel, sir. Kumaravel, sir. Hello. Admit கொடுத்துருக்கேன். கொடுத்துட்டா இருக்கேன் எல்லாரும். குத்தா தான் வராங்க. அப்படி குத்தா வராங்க. நான் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஆஸ்கர் அட்மிட் எல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டே வரேன் சார். வராங்க சார். ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் சார், டாக்டர் ஸ்ரீனிவாசன் சார், குட் ஆஃப்டர்நூன்.
Good afternoon, sir. Concept the song was super, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Please tell us your comments.
All issues on the song Pramadana cover pannீங்க sir.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, Kumaravel sir. Unmute பண்ணீங்க sir. Kumaravel sir, admit பண்ணி வாங்கல லைன்ல. Dr. Krishnan sir, are you able to hear us, sir? Yeah, your volume is very low, sir. Your audio volume is very low.
Please write to us on. Please mail us, sir. We are unable to do it. Okay, Thank you everyone.
Caroline Gemina, madam. Caroline, madam. Yes, madam. Yeah. How did you feel, madam? The program will be repeated by Friday and every week by Monday, Wednesday,
Okay.
and Friday. Please visit us, madam, continuously.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.